Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I have the unboxing and first impression of the Ridgid 57003 faucet tool. So this is it right here, and this one I bought it on Amazon for 29 US dollars. So let me give you a little backstory. As some of you may know, I am in the electrical field, but since lately I've been playing around with plumbing just a little, and I'm kind of getting to like it. I don't know how I come about seeing this tool. I don't remember. I don't remember if I was searching or what. More than likely I was searching for plumbing tools and came across this tool. So as you can see, the name right here says Ridgid easy change faucet tool, multiple tools in one, simplifies installation. And we have some picture here showing you some of the things that it can change, right? So we have a flex hose right there that is connected to, not sure what that is called. We have a next flex hose right there being changed. Our next flex hose being changed from the angle valve right there. We have a next that seems like an angle valve also, and then that seems like a drain. I don't remember what those things are called. Bear with me. I'm not a plumber, guys. Bear with me. I'm just learning the trade, you know. And on the back right here, if I can just go easy on my light. Okay. So as you can see right here, it tells you some of the size that it can work on. So we see nuts, and yeah, both of these will be considered as nuts. So these will be considered as nuts. I think this is also considered as nut. Not sure what is the correct term for these, but they work as nuts. So probably I guess they are nuts. So for 1 inch, it can open 1 inch, 7-8 inches, and also we have a different section right here for the 15-16 inch and the 3/4. You see that it can work on the angle valve also, and also the 5-8 inches nut. And this is basically showing you the part on the tool and what it is supposed to do, right? And I think I'm gonna have to keep this to actually know which part to use for what, because looking at it like this, it is very complicated, right? So my first impression, as in like my first impression, when I received this one from Amazon and pull it out of the box with some other things that I received, my very first impression was, wow, I didn't know it is this big, right? Because you know, sometimes you see pictures of things on Amazon. Sometimes when I think it is small, it's actually bigger, and sometimes when I think it is big, when it comes, it is very small, right? So this is one of the things where I thought it was smaller, but when it came, it was big and it was heavy and it feels rugged, right? So we're gonna go ahead and open this, right? Let's get down to business. Not even sure if I'm opening it the right way. I'm not sure if I'm opening it the right way. But anyways, I'm gonna get it open. So let me cut down here. Trying not to cut the label, because it has a lot of information that I might need, and yes, I have a little cut on it already. Man, this thing takes a lot of patience to pull. Alright, so now that I get this out, I'm just gonna put it to the side right here. And then I can just do whatever with this. All right. So I think you guys can hear that. It's rugged. It's heavy. It feels heavy duty. It doesn't feel flimsy, right? So, so this is it. This is it. I think this can come out. Yes or no? Okay, it came out. It's not very easy to come out though. It's not very easy to come out at all. So I can. Okay. Okay. So let me set good where you can see what I'm doing. So this is how it came. So I guess this. Oh, so there it's numbered or not? I don't think it is numbered. I see a L there. Not sure what the L stands for. Yeah. So I guess this use on something. I used to pull certain things, right? And then you can turn this around. Can turn this around, and then this is like a nut driver or something of that sort. This part no. Okay, so wow. So this part is actually numbered. So I see one. Let me see if I can focus it. So I see one, right? I see two. And this is what, 3? That is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Any other number on this? And I see F, right? And remember I told you I see L on the next part around there. And I guess it goes back to this because this tells you, alright, so number 1. So I see number 1 here. So I'm trying to figure this out as I go along. So this would be number 1. Yeah, so if I set it like this, oh, I kind of get it now. So I have 1, 2, let me go again. I have 1, 2, 3 different depths right there. Yeah, so I have 3 different depths right there. So this is telling me that number 1 can pull 7/8 inches, 1 inches, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and those 4 types of other things, right? It is telling me that number 2 can pull 5/16 inches. So let me see number 2. So this is number 2. Yeah, and that can pull 5/16 inches, right? Number 3 is for angle valve. So let me find number 3. Oh, so this would be number 3. Okay, this would be number 3 for angle valves. Pretty interesting. Number 3 for angle valve, but this is going to be difficult to remember these things from the top of my head, or maybe I just gotta play around with it until I learn it and figure it out. Number 4, where is number 4 now? I'll drop this a bit. So number 4, where did I see number 4 again? Number 4 is on the next one. Is that where I saw number 4? Oh, this is not where I saw number 4. Where did I see number 4? So 2, 3, 1. Oh, this is 4. This is 4. Okay, I found 4. So they say 4. What do you say about 4? 4 is for 3/4. 4 is for 3/4. Alright. This we'll use to pull our 3/4 nut. And oh, it tells us, so we have 2 parts here. So this one, so this is like this. Yeah, so this part is for 5/8 inches, and then this part, okay, this part you can put like a ratchet inside of it, as well as you can put a ratchet inside of it, as well as it can be, for those stuff. Yeah, so that's that part right there. And then you have this part here where you can use a wrench to get a good turn, or you have the hole that you can put your screwdriver into to turn it. Interesting. This is a pretty interesting tool. So I think I will be having a lot of fun with this tool, guys. I think I sure will be having a lot of fun with it. It's gonna take me a while to know which size to use for what, but I think eventually I'll get a hang of it. So this is basically the unboxing and my first impression, which, let me say, it's a very interesting tool. The quality seems good, right? Quality seems very good, and I think I'll be having a lot of fun with it, for sure. I think I'll be having a lot of fun with it, and I'm going to do a full review where I will be putting this tool in action. So look out for that video. Yeah, definitely look out for that video. When you're watching this video, you can just search on my channel to see if you find a full review. If it is not there as yet, you can always check back or shoot me a comment and remind me to drop the full review video, which I don't think you'd have to remind me, because I definitely will put this one in action and make a full review. So this was the unboxing and my first impression of the Ridgid 57003 Faucet tool. And this was another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Danai's Electrical Services. Thank you.